Importation to production. Ken Ohene Agyapong's Northern Story. Across the vast and vibrant northern regions of Ghana, a movement has begun. Movement of industry, wealth creation, and poverty alleviation, which is led by the man whose simple message is, let's move Ghana from importation to production. From the Savannah to Northeast, Upper West to Upper East, and the Northern region, Honorable Ken Ohene Agyapong embarked on a unity tour to have engagements with Ghanaians on business activities, job creation, and community developments.
When I'm the president, the first thing I'm going to do for the 5 northern regions is to move Ministry of Agriculture to Tamale.
At every stop, he brought with him lessons on everyday products that turn into big business stories. Conversations on establishing commercial corn farms to feed Canada's corn oil industry.
This is maize, corn oil from Canada. And the 5 northern regions, we produce a lot of corn. We produce a lot of corn, and we don't have one factory here. One. Not a single factory in all the 5 northern regions. And we are importing this corn oil from Canada.
Huge tomato farms to feed different tomato processing plants across the region.
This is tomato juice. Tomato juice. We produce a lot of tomatoes here. And bumper harvest, it gets rotten. And we are still importing tomato juice.
Producing on industrial scale to target the Thai coconut juice industry.
You have the Tama. And we don't have one single factory here to give us juice. This is coconut and pineapple juice, also from Holland. Coconut and pineapple from Holland. We can also do tama with coconut juice, tama with pineapple juice, tama with tomato juice, tama with orange juice. What are we doing? Where are your brothers? We produce potatoes in all the 5 northern regions. And we import common potato chips. Common potato chips we import. We can use it for starch. All the pharmaceutical industries producing starch, they import potato starch from Europe before they can give us the tablets, whilst we have this thing here. If you vote for me, I'm going to encourage the production of potatoes.
And a consideration for policies and incentives that enhance the production of soya in the northern regions to take advantage of the world market price that has been on an incremental trajectory over the last decade.
This is soya beans. You grow a lot of soya beans. And we don't have one single factory converting soya beans into soya milk.
These are more than mere products. They are symbols of the parts of what is holding our nation back, the endless cycle of importation.
We import this from Europe. It's soya bean, and they mix it with chocolate, which is also cocoa. And we are importing this. Can't we produce this ourselves? by using our own soya beans and cocoa, and we are importing this. This is what I'm telling you, that we can do it ourselves. We are not poor. We are poor in leadership. Our leaders lack business ideas.
Ken Ohene Agyapong's vision is clear. He means to replace imports with local industrializations, to build factories where farms exist, to empower youth with readily available jobs, and to transform local crops like soya into finished products for Ghana and for exports.
If you vote for me, I will encourage us to use our own raw materials and process it, and I'll ban importation of a lot of these things.
Leadership should talk potential and practical steps to unlocking it.
90% of Tamale Airport, we are going to use it for cargo terminals, because I saw vegetables on my way. From here to London Market is 5 hours. We are going to produce vegetables in abundance and export it from 11 p.m. by 5 a.m. is at UK and European market.
In every constituency, he carried one message: unity before victory. That without unity, the new patriotic party cannot win 2028. But with unity, hard work, and shared vision for production, Ghana can rise strong, independent, and self-reliant.
We need unity in the party. I have come here to tell you what I can do. So when they come with their propaganda, ask them what they can do for you, and not the propaganda. They did the same thing and we lost miserably. If they want us to lose again, I have done my part. Because wherever you go, Maslachi, they say bring Ohene Agyapong. In the churches, bring Ohene Agyapong. My yet to say Abua Okodi, eagle. And I don't have your friend Raven. Osi Okodi and Chia. Not also na osono okodie no ne nsa baaku sei ne wings no 7 feet wo betimi dia bo raven no na nka wa free so enso no woni me ne oye onka ne hwe na wokosoro ubonza raven na wo soso eagle no ontumi enhome na ono ankasa efri esoro abahwefo ti say sound my to say eagle no atemdidi aye di ni nyina no pente he ori no anse me tu fa ti monye ni Canada Japan enye basa and I assure you I'll be a fine president. I will develop the law.
To my folks from the north, delegates, chiefs, youth, and mothers, Honorable Ken Ohene Agyapong says, thank you for your love, thank you for your honesty, and thank you for your courage to believe in the possibilities in Ghana. From Tamale to Wa, from Boga to Yendi, you have proven that the heartbeat of Ghana's development is right here in the north.
When you go 31st January, only look up there, number 1. Honorable Kennedy for number 1.
The journey continues, and so that's the dream. A dream to turn raw materials into finished products. A dream to move from importation to production. A dream to build a Ghana that works for every region, every worker, and every child.
Ingoma yomphefumulo iphila ngaphakathi kwami izihlahla ziyadansa ngomoya omuhle